Hey guys, it's Fola here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my morning skincare routine. That seems to be the most requested video on this channel at the moment. I'm going to leave the list of all my products in the description box if you want to check it out. So the very first thing I do is I use my toner. If you've watched one of my videos, I know that I've mentioned that the particular toner I use is not one you are supposed to leave on your face for throughout the day. You're supposed to wash it off. So I tend to use this toner before I do my before I use my soap and before I even have my bath at all. So this is called Blemish Care Arabian Glow Face Toner Super Glow Face. And then Blemish Care Arabian Glow Face Toner is specifically formulated to give super white, even tone, clear face results, as it helps clear acne, pimples, wrinkles, redness, sunburn, leaving your face spotless and white. It contains salicylic acid, it contains hydrogenated castor oil, it contains fruit acid, it contains a lot of other propylene glycol, and a lot of other active. I leave this for about 10 minutes on my face before I go ahead to wash my face. So yeah, 10 minutes later and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so the next thing I did was to get my hand wet and just use this soap on my palm, rub it between my palm. It is Blemish Care lightening soap. Literally make a mask with it. I'm not going to leave it on my face for long. It's just going to spend like maybe 45 seconds to 1 minute on my face before I go to the next phase. I'm going in next with my face scrub. This is tea tree face scrub, and then I'm going to just take this much and if you don't want to apply the scrub directly on top of your soap, feel free to wash your soap off and apply your scrub. But I've come to notice that anytime I apply it like this, my face comes out looking a lot softer. So I just massage it into my skin like this in circular motion, and then I'll just leave this on my face for like 2 minutes. While this is on my face, ordinarily if I was in the shower, while this is on my face, I would start lathering soap all over my body. Then when I'm done coating soap with lathering my entire body with soap, I just go ahead and wash it off. So let's go wash it off. So we are back now. We are back. My face is still very wet. See, there's still water. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean my face. I already told you guys I don't clean my face with towel or anything. I clean my face with paper towel. So yeah, face is dry right now. So the thing is to clean my face with rose water. I put rose water in here. You can get any rose water of your choice to just clean, take off any excess dirt if there's any. There we have it. And the next thing to do is to let it dry before we continue. Okay, so we have it now, and then the next thing is to use serum. This is like the favorite part of skincare for me, using my serum. Let's go. So now I'll be going in with my vitamin C serum. See, so this is my vitamin C serum. I've reviewed it on this channel. It is rich in vitamin C. It is whitening and brightening, moisturizing, and it is anti-acne. So at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Let's do this together. Let's build this family together. Whatever you do, please don't forget your neck. Always extend it to your neck and your ears because they're also part of your face. Well, in this regard. So the next thing we're going to be using is Goji Berry serum. This contains hyaluronic acid, retinol, and it helps in anti-aging, and it is a face soothing serum. Okay, so you take this like this and put it. You can decide to put it directly on your face like the way I did the other one, or do it this way. Any which way, just put it on your face. So yeah, we go. So the next thing I do is I go in with my face cream. I already applied it. I don't know how I lost the clip. It didn't record. So let's just say we want to record it again. So just put it on your face, apply it, and rub it all over your face. This cream contains, it is a vitamin C brightening and anti-aging cream. It contains hyaluronic acid. It deeply moisturizes and it improves fine lines and dull skin. So that's the next thing you do. Apply your moisturizer. I apply my moisturizer and I make sure I extend it to my neck, my ears, and every other part of my body. And then I wait for it to chill. Okay, so the final stage now is this beauty air. So this is the sunscreen we're going to be using. If since morning I've been doing all these things and I did not use sunscreen, who am I deceiving? Who am I deceiving? Okay, so this is my Feah Ultra Eye Sunblock SPF UV 60 with vitamin A, C, and E. It feels clean and it is weightless. Yeah, it doesn't actually have a lot of weight. So yeah, I'm not leaving home. I'm at home. I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm just going to be using this bead. And there's one thing I've come to realize, that anytime I just use this and just put it on my face like this, it takes a lot of time before it gets absorbed into my skin. But anytime I walk it into my palm like this, I think my body heat, heat coming from my palm would have mixed with it. So it makes it easy for it to get absorbed into my skin, and then the white cast just leaves, pretty quickly. So, and then another tip is, I've learned that I should not remove my hand from it. I should just walk it in. Just walk it till it goes in. Not like I should just rub it on my face, remove my hand for a while, then by the time I now say let me start doing it again, it gets tedious to do. So see, did you get the hack? The hack is to rub it in between your palms. Rub it. See, it's not even on my palm anymore. So the hack is to rub it in between your palm well, rub it well, then rub it on your face and just keep going. Keep massaging it in. Don't just rub it on your face and leave it. To massage it in and you are good to go. Okay. That's it. No white cast. Nah, no white cast. Look at it. Look at it. So yes, that is all for my morning skincare routine. It may look like it is, tedious or it's a long process, but it is not a long process at all. It looks long because I'm talking and I'm telling you guys about it. If I want to do my morning skincare routine in 30, on days when I have time, when I want to take time and all, in 30 minutes I'm done. That's plus having my bath, plus dressing up and all that, I'm done. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, that I'm sure you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get to be notified every single time I upload a new video. So this is my morning skincare routine, and coming up next is my nighttime skincare routine. Stay cheeky.